Messenger, how to tell if read. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can tell if someone has read your message on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to figure out whether or not someone has read your messages on Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Messenger application. And over here, let's just say that you have sent a particular message to someone over here. Most likely what happens is that if you tap on that message, you'll find the seen icon on the right hand side right at the bottom. Sometimes you could also see the profile icon on the right hand side if that person has already read the message. So let me show you another one, for example here. So if I open a certain attachment and if you see their profile icon right next to your message, it also means that they have read your messages. This way you can tell if someone has read your messages on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.